Hello and welcome. My name is Fake Fairytale and this is the 1 hour challenge run. Now, for those of you who may have missed the previous videos, I've been recording a few challenge runs. I'll be sure to link them in the description of this video, where I try to make a map in 5 or 30 minutes, 1 hour and 2 hours. And the 5 and 30 minutes have already been finished. The 2 hour, however, not yet. And we're going to try to make something cool in, 1 hour today. So I have a few rules for myself, which are pre-chosen textures. You're allowed to pick them up front. So I went with this set because I think they'll suit the idea that I have quite well. A 20 by 15 grid size. Previous maps were in the horizontal mode, landscape mode. This one is in portrait. That doesn't actually matter, but it's still 20 by 15. No prefabs or assets that can include more than one object, like entire rooms or such. And outside of that, you can go as wild as you like. All asset packs are allowed. So today I wanted to try and make some kind of shrine or wedding scene. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to look like. I want to have some more nature at the bottom and have the shrine a bit further at the top. Outside of that, I have no clue what this is going to look like. And of course, there's only one way to find out. So without further ado, let's dive in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, and that's a wrap. So let's see what we ended up with. I actually noticed that I was struggling quite a bit with placing things inside the shrine. I ended up going, well, for the wedding scene, some flowers, some candles, tried to tone down the light a little bit so that the light from the braziers would show better. And I do really like this scene. I'm actually, well, there are some mistakes here, but with a little bit of touch-ups, I would be quite comfortable just publishing this on Reddit or whatever. But all in all, well, everything was going quite all right. You see, I made a few little mistakes here and there, but that's all right, and missed a shadow over here. But altogether, this is quite cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like, favorite, or subscribe button. Also, feel free to give these challenge runs an attempt yourself. If you do, please make sure that you notify me with your end result. You can either just send me the message, you can contact me on Reddit or on Discord, and I'm really curious to see what you come up with. You don't have to record it, of course, but it would be fun if you did. But if you don't feel comfortable, you can always just send me just a map itself or an image or a screenshot. So thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.